Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you what's the right way to open affiliate links, especially in the case when you give your affiliate link to someone and that very person click on your affiliate link to buy your affiliate product that you are promoting, but what happens? You don't get any commission. You don't get any commission despite the fact that that very person has gone through your affiliate link to make purchase of your affiliate product that you are promoting, but you haven't got any commission. So guys, if this is the case, then this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna tell you that what's the right way to open affiliate links, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes guys, now without any delay, let me show you what's the right way to open affiliate links, guys. So guys, as you know, I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, guys, right? This is one of the best training by one of the best coach in the world, Russell Brunson. So yes guys, if you're serious, I would highly recommend you go and do this training at least for once. Down below I have put the link, you can go and check out. So yes guys, let's suppose someone approached me to go through this one funnel away challenge training. So what I will do, guys, and what you need to do, guys, tell that very person, hey, this is my affiliate link, copy that affiliate link and paste that affiliate link, or you can say open that affiliate link using incognito mode. You can see if you are using PC, then there will be incognito mode, and if that very person is using Mac, then there will be a private mode. So yes, whatever the option, whatever whether it's a incognito mode or private mode, tell that very person, hey, open my affiliate link using incognito mode or private mode, guys, right? So in my case it is PC, then yes, so tell, hey, copy my affiliate link and paste it in incognito mode, enter, yes. And also tell that very person that do check your affiliate ID. So as in my case it is can you see that 650467. So tell that very person, hey, before making purchase, before registering to this one funnel away challenge, check my affiliate ID, right? So if you follow this process, guys, then chances that you will get commission, guys, right? If directly, like if that very person directly you can say come and open your affiliate link, then most of the time, guys, you will not get commission. Why? Because guys, it is because of cookies, guys. So understand this, last click always wins, guys. So if someone click on the link, like suppose I'm promoting this one funnel away challenge, so there are two person, A and B. So A click on my affiliate link, right? Let's assume then my, you can say in his computer's browser, my affiliate cookies that will be stored, right? But that very person decides to buy any other day, like next week, but in between what happens, he go and browse and clicks on someone else affiliate, like B, person B affiliate links. So in that case, B's cookies that will be stored in his browser. So last time he clicked on my you can say my affiliate link, that is A, but after you can say other day, you can say he clicked on B's affiliate link, B person affiliate link. So in that case, cookies is stored of B, guys, right? I know you might be confused little bit, but guys, this is very important to understand. So now that very person decides to go through this one funnel away challenge and he just go and make purchase, but what happens? You don't get any commission. What happens, guys? Last click was on affiliate link of B, guys. So B is the you can say is the person who will get commission, guys, in that case, because last click always win, not you, right? Your affiliate link, like you were A, right? So that you have to understand, guys. So in that case, what you need to do, guys, simply tell that very person straight away, hey, open my affiliate link using incognito mode or private mode and do check your affiliate ID. Only then go and make purchase. Otherwise, if he sees that there is no affiliate ID of you, then simply straight away don't make purchase, right? So that's why guys, it is always safe to use incognito mode or private mode uh, to make purchase guys, right? And that process you can tell to your person who is going to buy any affiliate product that you are promoting through your affiliate link guys, right? So this is the right way guys. Or one more thing you can say for like next time, you can tell, hey, go and delete all time cookies from your browser, right? So it will be here, can see the history, and then can clear browsing data and all time guys, right? All time. So in that case guys, can you see that clear data? So click on that clear data. So whatever cookies will that will be stored on your browser, that will be deleted guys, right? So your browser will be neat and clean. So next time if that very person you can say click on your affiliate link, so your cookies will be stored in his browser and you will get commission guys if that very person make any purchase through your link. But guys, understand the same thing, in between if he clicks on other people's affiliate link, then guys that very person, you can say that very person's you can say cookies, that will be stored in the browser. So that's why guys, it is always safe, tell that very person, hey, go and use incognito mode, mean to say open your affiliate link using incognito mode or private mode guys, so that you can get the commission guys, right? So once again I'm showing you guys, always like, let's assume this is my affiliate link, traffic secrets guys. So this is my affiliate link, simple copy and new incognito mode simply, and then paste, enter, and just tell to the person that, hey, check my affiliate ID, then yes, my affiliate ID is good, then go and make purchase guys. Then yes, in that case 99% you will get commission guys, right? And yes, you can also say, hey, if possible take screenshot or make recording of the process, right? So in case if there will be any tech issue, you can show to the spot that, hey, I have clicked on right affiliate link and this is the screenshot. So if there will be any, you can say, tech glitch, they will do the needful guys, right? So but guys, if you follow this process, then you don't have to do anything guys, simply you will get commission guys if you tell this process to your person who is going to buy a affiliate product through your link guys, right guys? So yes guys, this is all about for today guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions guys, you can ask your question, I will try my level best to answer you guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel, right? Down below there is a red button and there is also bell notification button guys. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button guys, right? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you, have a nice day. Bye bye guys.